Hello students, today we are going to see the topic system approach to industrial engineering. I am Professor K. Kalidas to handle the session for you. So what is meant by a system? A system is a collection of elements or components that are organized together for a common purpose. Say for example, in our body we have various systems, say nervous system, digestive system, bones, etc. So it means it is integrated together to perform a particular objective. So in industries also, there is a system of components to be assembled together in order to form a system. As per the industrial engineering approach, system is a set of components organized together to fulfill the objective of the industry. These systems are interdependent to fulfill the purpose, and if there is any problem, the system components are analyzed individually to find the cause of the problem and effects of the problem. Say for example, in an industry there are 4 departments. Each department is a system. When there is an issue, these departments will mutually communicate together, and if there is any solution to be adopted, they are analyzed and completed to fulfill the objective and to clear off the problems. So what are the types of systems? First, it's a natural system like climatical conditions, material availability or location of the industry, etc. Man-made system, whatever may be the buildings, transports that you make in and around the industry. These two are mutually opposite to each other. The second set is static and dynamic system. Static is the system which doesn't move, like the machineries that you have, like the buildings that you have, etc. Dynamic systems are movable objects like labor, some material handling equipments, etc. The third set is physical and abstract systems. Physical system which is available in nature, it means it is available as all the resources that is in the industry. And abstract, it is the symbolic identification of the resources that has been available. So it's not practically present over there, it's only a representation. The next set is open and closed system, a system which works with a feedback and without a feedback. So what is the advantage of having a feedback in the sense you can analyze the system and you can spot the errors and you can rectify it. So that's the closed system. So what is the system engineering process? The system engineering process is of 4 types or 4 steps. One, to discover the real problems that has to be solved. If there is any issue, first we have to identify where is that issue is. And in that particular problem, what are the influencing factors? It means which is going to create a high impact for the problem. Then we have to go for finding out the solution of that particular problem. It looked like almost similar to the industrial engineering approach. Say for example, if there is a maintenance activity that has to be carried out in a particular machine, then the various subsystems that is to participate and give the details are: number 1, equipment operating condition, that machine under what operating condition it has been operated. Number 2, what is the industrial requirement? Is the machine working for overtime in order to fulfill the requirement of the industry? Spare parts availability, can we operate the machine now with the other parts that has been available? Feedback on operation and equipment use, how effectively that machine has been used by the labor. Standard maintenance procedure, whether the machine has gone through the periodic maintenance at the right time, that has to be checked. Safety regulations, environment related procedure. Everything is a subsystem here. Each subsystem has to give these details, in order to go for the maintenance activity for a particular machine. So this is called as the system related approach. Each and every system has to be critically analyzed for the problem and the solution has to be found out. So in this lecture we have seen what is the basics of system and its types and how does a system engineering process works along with an example. Thank you.